Didn't get it. No way. Tornado. It's still going. That's mad. Oh, I missed the best bit. Just tore through the building site. Oh, I thought I had it on recorder and it in time. Yeah, I'm getting a bit of it now, but. Oh. That was a real tornado. No, it's still going. It's over there. That literally come right across there. Hit that house there. Hit that end house. Hit that end house. It tore shit up from there. Look, there's still stuff floating in the air. Look, that big black cloud there. Look, still see the bits floating in the air. That's it in the background. My camera didn't pick it up at the beginning, like, annoyed. It come right across here. When it hit that, it picked up a fence. Picked the fence up right. It's still going now, but I can't. I'd love to follow that. There'll be more. I knew we'd have one sooner or later. Oh man.